Hello everyone. Good
Hello,
evening.
good evening.
Hello, Sis Ajeng. Hello, Sisika. Bro Joe Brown. Hello, Bro Bara. And also Sis Bro Alwan Dwianto. Well, you guys, welcome back to the class, everyone. Bro Bara, what's up, bro?
Ah, ini siapa?
Bro Bara, hello.
Hello.
Hello, Bro Bara. How are you today, Bro Bara?
Today I am good.
You're great. So, how was your school today, Bro Bara?
The school was very fun because today
What?
is
What? What do you learn?
football.
Oh, you play football. Oh, sure. That's a great sport, but it was a great day in school with your friends. Yeah, great one. Thank you so much, Bubara. Hello, Sasika. Good evening.
Good evening, sis Brovik.
Okay, so Sasika, what's up, sis?
Uh, mm, I'm sorry, I am not very good. I'm not very
Oh,
well because I have headache and uh, I think maybe common cold.
oh, sure.
Okay.
Okay, I'm so sorry to hear that, sis Ika. Got well soon. Have you taken medicine, Sika?
um, mm, not yet.
Okay. And do you usually take a medicine when you got the
Yeah,
flu or maybe headache? Yeah. Oh, sure.
yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. If it memberat, I take the
Okay.
medicine.
Oh, sure. That's great. And it is getting hard, getting bad. You take a medicine, Sis Dewi. Sika, yeah. Okay, you
Yeah.
can just take medicine, Sisika, and you need to take a rest, I think. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so you guys, everyone. Hello, Sis Tita, Sis Sylvie. Hello, Brunur, Brunalfa. You guys, let's start our class right now while waiting on your friends as well. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the class again with Speaking Partner.
We are the
Are the
best
best
partner.
Okay. What's password, guys?
Keep
Keep
smiling.
Thank you
smile.
so much, everyone. You are really good. Okay, so you guys, today is Tuesday. It's gonna be our 12, yeah, 12 meeting. And today we will just learn and talk about training time. And I think you have to know the topic for today. The medicine is joining Zoom. Oh, sure. Oh my God. That's right. I think Sistita, because you will meet Virgil Brown. That's the medicine. Oh my God.
No, don't why do you mention my name like
No, no,
that,
no, no,
bro?
no, 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 no,
Come
no. All
on, bro.
right.
What
Okay.
the
Yeah,
hell now?
because no, Virgil Brown. All right. Sistita is looking for you, Virgil Brown.
Okay, okay,
She
okay.
misses you.
Alright, bro.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, that's one. And you know, guys, today we just talk about International Women's Day. Okay, International Women's Day, Hari Perempuan. Okay, I think you have known this one, Igisa, and we have a reading again. Kita punya bacaannya, so we just have one, two, three, four. Only four texts for today, okay, for the reading time. Okay, and before we learned about the International Women's Day, so you guys, I would like to ask you for this. The first is start from. Okay, what about you? Sylvie. Sylvie, hello, Sylvie.
Hello.
Sylvie, I have actually thought topic first, and the first question for you is your country, that's a lovely country, our lovely country, right, being considered too women friendly? What do you think?
I think for this generation, yeah.
Mhm. Oh, okay. That's really great. So, is it normal to see a career women in your area?
Very normal.
That's normal. All right.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
normal.
That's a great women, right? Okay. Well, thank you so much, sis. That's really great answer. That's simple but it's clear. Sylvie, you are so
Yep.
good. Okay. What about for the boy here? For the boy. Um wait, what is the boy here? Right. Bro Alwan, bro Alwan Duyanto. Hello, bro Alwan. Bro Alwan, are you here? Right. Maybe bro Alwan still has something to do, guys. What about you? Bro Joe Brown, nothing you. Bro Joe Brown. Bro Joe Brown, hello?
No. I'm currently with my friend, so I'm afraid I can't read because I'm currently with my friend.
Hey, that's okay, that's okay. That's actually
No.
that's a
I'm about
question.
to. No, bro. I'm having my meal, bro. I'm having my
Oh,
meal.
all right. Okay, Bro Joe Brown is never mind. Okay.
Yeah, just give it to somebody else, bro.
Oh, sure. Okay. Well, what about you guys? Shishania. Hello, Shishania. Shishania.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Bro Vic, but I'm in outside, so I think terlalu
Is
berisik
it
dia nanti.
okay? No, no, no,
Okay.
no, no. Just simple question. Shishania, look at this. Who is the most empowering? That's empowering women. You know.
Empowering
Yeah.
itu like yang strong gitu, lebih kuat gitu. Apa gimana?
No.
Empower.
Empowering. You know, guys, what is empowering? Anyone?
Sorry.
Okay. Empowering, this is like, kayak berarti wanita yang memberdayakan banget nih, berjuang banget untuk wanita. So, in our country, like Kartini.
Kartini.
Yeah, that's right. So, what do you think? Who is the most empowering women you know? Yeah.
Yeah, in Indonesia, I think Kartini is the most empowering woman. But I think in Islam, there is Bunda Khadijah, I think.
Oh, that's really great. That's lovely. Okay. So, what about the last question, Sisania? What aspect do you most admire from your mother? Your mother.
Aspect do you most admire?
Ya,
Gimana
yang
tuh?
dikagumi banget nih. Ya.
Oh, I think about her perjuangan apa, Profit?
The struggle?
Yeah, I think her struggle is the most admired. I think that I get from her.
Oh, wow, that's it. So it can be an example for you to be a great woman, right? Oh, great. Thank you so much, sis. You are so
Yeah,
great.
you're welcome. Profit,
Okay.
thank you.
Sure, guys. Anyway, guys, don't forget, if you want to say this, woman, tulisannya woman, ini bacanya bukan woman, but this is women. Women. Berarti jamaknya perempuan-perempuan gitu guys ya. Oke. Kalau teman-teman itu pakai kalau pakai a ya guys ya itu baru you wanna say perempuannya satu tunggal. Kalau ini guys kayak gini. Ini perempuannya tunggal nih guys ya. Tunggal, perempuan tunggal satu aja. You can say woman, bahasanya woman. Tapi kalau kayak gini, yang satunya ini, yang bawah ini guys, women. Women or women, boleh teman-teman baca women. But the common uses is women. Itu perempuan-perempuan, beda ya. Kalau pakai A, itu adalah tunggal singular. Kalau pakai E, itu adalah jamaknya, plural. Woman, women. Alright? Okay, so guys, this one, and go ahead, guys. So, before we learn the topic, I have the vocabulary verse here. Let's try to find the meaning, guys. So for the first, it's committed. What is committed, everyone? How about you guys? Anyone knows? Yes, that's good. Okay, so if you want to say there's a commit, itu ya teman-teman boleh ya bilang kesepakatan, or you want to say, wait a moment, guys. Okay, committed, ya committed itu boleh. Kayak komitmen itu kesepakatan atau berkomitmen. Nah, you can say this one. Committed, berkomitmen. Berkomitmen. Gini aja ya paling tepatnya. Berkomitmen. Committed. So, what about this one, guys? Women's rights?
Hak perempuan. Hak perempuan.
Hak perempuan. Okay. And equality. What is the equality?
Kesetaraan.
Kesetaraan. Persamaan atau kesetaraan. And also movements.
Pergerakan.
Pergerakan. And also ignore.
Penolakan.
Menolak atau
penolakan.
mencampakkan gitu guys. Ya menolak juga boleh. Mencampakkan aja gitu ya. Campakan. Ignore. So they ignore you. Dia mencapakanmu gitu guys ya. Household. What is?
Rumah tangga.
Rumah tangga. Iya, that's rumah tangga. That's what is household. And chores.
Kerjaan rumah.
Pekerjaan rumah. If you still remember in Basic 2, we talk about household chores. Ya. Itu pekerjaan rumah tangga. Ya guys ya. Chores itu artinya apa guys? Kegiatannya atau pekerjaannya, aktivitas di rumah gitu guys ya. Chores. This is only it as a whole. Okay. Pay gap. What is pay gap?
Perbedaan pembayaran.
Kesenjangan. Ya, perbedaan gaji gitu guys ya. Oke. Perbedaan atau kesenjangan ya guys ya. Gaji upah gitu guys ya. Pay gap. And then what about this one, the child care?
Perawatan anak.
Child care is
anak.
penitipan anak. Child care.
Daycare ya. Perawatan
Daycare. Iya. Ya, child
Ya.
care itu berarti pengasuhan anak, teman-teman.
Pengasuh.
Pengasuhan anak. Jadi kita mengasuh anak kita ya dengan ya, mengasihi dan sebagainya ya, pengasuhan anak. This is child care. Oke, kita mengasuh anak kita, merawat ya, dan menyekolahkan dan sebagainya, mengasuh anak. Ya guys ya. Jika saya mengasuh anak aja lebih tepatnya. Mengasuh anak. Okay, so child care. Okay, so guys, let's learn the pronunciation. The first, it sounds like you want to say committed. Baca kaya, committed. Ingat guys, ada ed sebelumnya ada t dibaca it. Masih ingat kan? Committed. Hak perempuan, just say, ingat dari women atau women boleh, but the common pronounce is women. Women's rights. Hanya nggak dibaca. Kesetaraan, just say equality. Dibaca i ya, not but equal. Equality. Or equality juga boleh. If you want to be like a British, just say equality. In American, just say equality. Pergerakan, movements. Ada penekanannya ada guys. Movements. Mencampakkan, just say ignore. Okay. Rumah tangga is just say house. Household. Okay, household. Ini O-nya dibaca O gitu guys. Household. Kegiatan bukan course tapi chores. Tetap dibaca C ya. Chores. Chores. Perbedaan gaji pay gap. The pay and gap. Mengasuh anak, you can just say child care. This is a child. Not child ya. Child care. Okay, so you guys, teman-teman rekan Bro Vicky nih semuanya, you can turn on your microphone kalau tempatnya lagi gak rame ya, silakan dibuka guys. Kalau tempatnya rame ditutup aja. Okay, guys, so this one. Okay, so you guys, here we go. The first one, repeat after me guys. Committed.
Committed.
Yeah. Women's rights.
Women's right.
Equality.
Equality.
Movements. Ignore. Household. Chores. Pay gap. Child care. That's really great, everyone. Okay, so those are the vocabularies today, everyone. Okay, and I would like to ask once to read the vocabularies. Only once. Anyone? Anyone wants to read the vocabularies, guys? No one? So I would like to ask, coba nih, siapa nih? Say your name, please. Oh, no one? Coba Bro Vicky mau minta Bro Bara deh. Bro Bara. Yuk Bro Bara dibaca yuk. Bahasa Inggrisnya aja ya. The vocabulary today. Bro Bara, halo. Dibaca nak. Yuk.
Yes.
Bahasa Inggrisnya aja. Yeah. The first.
Oh. Committed.
Yes.
Women's right.
Yeah.
Equality. Movements. Ignore. Household. Chores. Pay gap. Child care.
Oh, you are so amazing. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Roberta. That's really good. Okay, so guys, we have started talking about this, everyone. Yeah, the vocabularies for today. And let's back to the main topic. We have the lesson and explanation about International Women's Day. So the first topic is why do we need an International Women's Day? Kenapa nih guys kita butuh hari perempuan internasional? And the second is the history of Women's Day. Ada historinya, cerita sejarahnya. And the last is what happens on March. Ada apa nih guys ya? Okay. This one is what happens on H March. Ada apa tanggal 8 Maret gitu guys. January, February, March. Oh, it was last month. Okay. We celebrate the International Women's Day. So for the first one guys, this one, anyone who wants to read this? Teman-teman siapa yang mau baca nih? Yang mau baca silakan angkat tangan ya. Teman-teman nanti Bro Vicky panggil. Okay. So for the first, this is Ika. This is Ika. Oh my God, that's really great. Okay. This is Ika. Let's read the first. Teman-teman semua yang tidak angkat tangan atau belum Bro Vicky panggil, tetap semuanya membaca. Tapi di mute. Okay. Dia Bro Vicky panggil, silakan dibuka. This is Ika. Good morning, this is Ika. 1, 2, 3, go.
Why do we need an International Women's Day? International Women's Day on 8th March is a day to celebrate the social, economic, and political achievements of women, reflect on progress and demand gender equality. For over 100 years, International Women's Day has put the spotlight on two issues affecting women all over the world. Today, International Women's Day belongs to everyone who believes that women's rights are human rights. Across the world, less than 15% of the world's countries have a female leader. Only 24% of senior managers are women, and 25% of companies have no female senior managers at all. Women do the lowest paid jobs and earn less money for the same work. This difference in pay is called the gender pay gap, and for young women in many places, including Britain and America, the gap is getting worse. Women are also more likely to do most of the housework and childcare. All of these problems affect women of color even more than they do white women.
Wow, that's so excellent. Thank you so much, Jessica. You are so good. And Shilfi, you want it right. Come on, with the same text, Shilfi. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Why do we need an International Women's Day? International Women's Day on 8 March is a day to celebrate the social, economic, and political achievements of women, reflect on progress and demand gender equality. For over 100 years, International Women's Day has put the spotlight on the issues affecting women all over the world. Today, International Women's Day belongs to everyone who believes that women's rights are human rights. Across the world, less than 15% of the world countries have a female leader. Only 24% of senior managers are women, and 25% of companies have no female senior manager at all. Women do the lowest paid jobs and earn less money for the same work. This difference in pay is called the gender pay gap. And for young women in many places, including Britain and America, the gap is getting worse. Women are also more likely to do most of the housework and childcare. All of these problems affect women of color even more than they do white women.
Oh, that's really great. Thank you so much, Sylvie. Okay, guys, that's the first text for today. So why do we need International Women's Day? Why? International Women's Day on 8 March. Don't forget, yes, tanggal 8 Maret. It's a day. It's a day to celebrate the social, economic, political achievement of women. Merayakan sosial, ekonomi, political achievement-nya ya guys ya dari perempuan-perempuan. Reflect on progress and demand gender equality for over 100 years ya guys ya. Lebih dari ratusan tahun guys. International Women's Day has put the spotlight onto. Masih ingat teman-teman onto ya? Onto is affecting women all over the world. Today, International Women's Day belongs to everyone. Belong di sini bermakna dimiliki, jadi bermakna pasif teman-teman. So for example, I belong to you. Ingat, belong diikuti to ya. Saya dimiliki olehmu, I belong to you. Buku ini dimiliki olehmu, this book belongs to you. Simple present otomatis ditambah SAS gitu guys ya. Jumlahnya 1. This book belongs to you. Buku ini dimiliki olehmu. Kalau teman-teman mau bilang jamak nih ya, for example, 2 books or many books belong to you. Gitu guys. Gonna be different. Artinya itu adalah pasif, dimiliki oleh. Makanya belong harus diikuti sama to. Gitu. International Women's Day belongs to everyone who believes that women's rights are human rights. Hak perempuan adalah hak manusia. Across the world, okay, guys, seluruh penjuru dunia guys ya. Across the world, the second. Less than 15% of the world's countries have a female leader. Oh, guys ya. Kurang 15% ya guys ya, negara mempunyai perempuan ya atau pemimpin female perempuan. Only 24% of senior managers. Guys, the correct pronounce is managers, not managers. Managers is our country. Managers. Okay. Senior managers are women, and 25% of companies have no female senior managers at all. Oh, guys. Women do the lowest paid job and earn less money for the same work. Meskipun pekerjaan sama, semisal ada laki-laki dan perempuan bekerja sama, tapi pasti dibedakan dalam gaji, guys ya. This difference in pay is called the gender pay gap. And for young women in many places, including, you know guys, in the advanced country like Britain, England, and America, the gap is getting worse. Women are also more likely to do most of housework and childcare. Karena perempuan itu memang diharuskan bagi pemahaman mereka gitu guys ya. Melakukan pekerjaan rumah aja dan juga merawat anak gitu. All of this problem affect women of color if more than they do white women. Itu semua terjadi ke semua perempuan ya, bahkan perempuan-perempuan Eropa yang berkulit putih. This is the same, tetap dibedakan. Oke, gitu guys ya. Oke, this one. And we have the following one. Masih terus saja ya guys ya. And the second. So, you guys, Bro Bara, do you want to read the second text here? Bro Bara? Hello?
Oh,
Do you
uh,
want it? Come on, try to
yes.
read this. Let's go.
When it comes to healthcare and safety, women also face significant inequalities. An estimated 830 women a day die in childbirth. There are some shocking statistics for female murder too. Last year, the UN found that 137 women 137 women a day were killed by their partner or former partner. Worldwide, over 50% of female murders are committed by victims' partner or family. When they have access to health education and care, women are also more likely to be ignored by doctors when they say they are in pain, and serious heart problems are gonna sometimes ignored for years.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, Babara. That's so awesome. For the next one, guys, anyone wants to read this? Come on. Yuk, teman-teman yang membaca nih. Raise your hand, guys. Don't be shy. What about Sis Yanti? Sis Yanti, I want you to read this. Sis Yanti. Sis Yanti, hello. Yuk, jadi dibaca yuk. Come on.
I want to try.
Yes, come on.
Yes. When it comes to healthcare and safety, women also face
Women.
significant inequalities and estimated
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 800.
830
830.
gimana?
830.
800
ratus
yeah.
and 30.
Okay. An estimated 8 saya lupa nih.
800 830
30 women a day die in childbirth. There are some shocking statistics for female murder too. Last year, the
UN
UN found that 137 women a day were killed by their partner or former partner. Worldwide, over 50% of female murder are committed by the victim's partner or family. When they have access to health education and care, women are also more likely to be ignored by doctors. When they say they are in pain and serious health problems are sometimes ignored for years.
Oh, great. Well done. Thank you so much, Shanti. You were really good. Okay. So, that's the second. Ini lanjutannya tadi ya, guys. Masih sama. Digabungin aja, guys. When it comes to healthcare and safety, women also face significant inequalities. Tetap sama ya, guys ya. Okay. An estimated 830 women a day die in childbirth. Diestimasikan, guys, 830 perempuan itu meninggal per harinya karena melahirkan, waktu melahirkan gitu. There are some shocking statistics for female murder too. Ini juga ada statistik laporan ya, guys ya. Statistik juga nih yang sangat-sangat bikin shock juga nih, guys. Oke, the second ya. Especially murder ya, guys ya. Oke, atau kita bisa bilang murder, guys ya. Wait a moment, guys. So last year, the United Nations murder. You know, guys, what is murder? Apa itu murder? Pembunuhan. Jadi pembunuhan terhadap perempuan itu juga statistiknya laporan membuat shock nih, guys. Last year, the United Nations found that 137 women die, ya, a day, women a day per harinya itu were killed by their partner or former job. 137 perempuan setiap hari per hari itu dibunuh sama partner pasangannya sendiri atau mungkin mantan pasangannya. Oke, guys ya. Worldwide, di seluruh dunia nih, guys, over 50% of female murders are committed by the victim partners of family. Nah, ini, guys. Jadi pelakunya ada 50% seluruh dunia, guys ya. Pelakunya pembunuhan dari perempuan ini dilakukan oleh partner, pasangannya sendiri. Ya, guys ya. Atau mungkin keluarganya sendiri. Itu bukan orang lain pembunuhnya. When they have access to hot education, selain healthcare safety, when they have access to hot education, pendidikan, especially the hot education and care, women are also more likely to be ignored by doctors when they say they are in the pain. Meskipun dia merasa saya lagi sakit gitu, guys ya. And serious health problem are something ignored for years. Bahkan dia lagi sakit parah, pasti tetap dicampakkan, dinantikan, didahulukan yang laki-laki as a doctor gitu, guys ya. Gitu. Zaman dulu seperti itu, guys. Okay. And the next one is the history, guys. The history of Women's Day. Ini ada sejarahnya Hari Perempuan. So, guys, anyone wants to read the third text here? Guys, come on. Anyone? Don't be shy, guys. No one? Bro Naufal Hakim. Come on, bro. It's your time.
Oh my God. Okay, bro.
Let's do it.
The history of Women's Day. In 1908, 15,000 women in New York went on strike because of low pay and terrible conditions in the factories where they worked. The following year, the Socialist Party of America organized a National Women's Day, and 1 year after that, there was a conference in Copenhagen, Denmark, about equality and women's right to vote. In Europe, the idea grew up and became International Women's Day for the first time in 1911, and the United States declared 8 March International Women's Day in 1975.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, Bro Naufal. That's so great. Okay, and the next one, guys, anyone? So what about the author to read it? You, Sis Tita. Come on. Sis Tita, hello. Sis Tita, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Of
Wait a
course.
minute. I have to take my glasses.
Oh, sure. That's totally fine. All right. So, guys, by the way, everyone. Yeah, Sis Tita, you can read.
Okay. Waduh.
Yeah.
The history of Women's Day. In 1808, 15,000 women in New York went on strike because of low pay and terrible conditions in the factories where they worked. The following year, the Socialist Party of America organized a National Women's Day. And 1 year after that, there was a conference in Copenhagen, Denmark, about equality and women's right to vote. In Europe, the idea grew and became International Women's Day, or IWD, for the first time in 1911. And the United Nations declared 8 March International Women's Day in 1975.
Wow, great, Sis Tita. You are so lovely.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Vicky.
guys, look at this one. The history of Women's Day. In 1908, teman-teman, ketika teman-teman membaca tahun nih, tahun di bawah 1999 ke bawah, ini kan kita harus dibaca dua-dua gitu guys ya. Baca dua-dua. So, 1999. Tapi kalau konteksnya itu kayak gini guys, 1908, ini nolnya ini itu dibaca kayak teman-teman bilang O. Huruf O itu guys. O gitu. So 19OH. 19OH. Kita nggak boleh bilang 19H no or 190 no, tapi dibaca O. O gitu ya. 19OH. Nah, that's the same with this one. Ini beda lagi nih guys. Misalnya tentang 1700. Kita nggak boleh bilang 1700 atau 1700. Kalau kayak gini yang di belakang koma, di belakang dua angka kayak gini dan nol semua, bacanya 100. Nih guys ya. Like you say 100. Gitu. So 1700 gitu bacanya. Oke, tahun ya. Ini khusus baca tahun, bukan bilangan bulat 1 2 3 no, tahun. 1700. 19OH. Itu guys ya, tahun nih. In 19OH, 15,000 women in New York went on strike because of low pay and terrible condition in the factories where they work. Tahun 1908, 15.000 perempuan di New York, Amerika turun ke jalan. Dia demo maksudnya gitu guys ya. Menuntut apa? Low pay and terrible condition in the factories. Dia menuntut ya rendahnya gaji, ya guys ya, dan juga kondisi yang buruk di tempatnya mereka bekerja. The following year, setelah tahun itu nih guys ya, the Socialist Party of America organized a National Women's Day. Ada partai nih guys ya, partai di Amerika ya guys ya, you can say Amerika, partai Amerika ya guys ya, dia itu organize National Women's Day, dia menyuarakan Hari Perempuan Nasional, nasional dulu guys, belum internasional. Oke. And 1 year after that, setahun setelah itu, there was conference in Copenhagen, Denmark about equality and women's right to food. Setelah tahun itu ada sebuah conference ya di Copenhagen ya guys, di Denmark. Dia itu membahas tentang equality, kesetaraan gender gitu guys ya, and women's right to food, dan hak perempuan untuk memilih. Karena dulu perempuan nggak boleh memilih ya guys ya, memilih ketika presiden dan sebagainya. No. Okay. In Europe, the idea grew and become International Women's Day. Di Eropa, ide ini muncul nih guys, tumbuh dan menjadi International Women's Day, atau kita bisa sebut IWD. For the first time in 1911, di tahun 1911, and the United Nations declared 8 March International Women's Day in 1975. Itu guys, ide ini muncul nih guys, pertama di Eropa tahun 1911. Dan PBB mendeklarasikan tanggal 8 Maret sebagai Hari Internasional Perempuan itu tahun 1978 guys. Imagine, tahun 1911 sampai 1978. Wah, berapa tahun tuh guys? Baru dideklarasikan guys. Oh my god, that's really hard, right? Setiap tahun pasti ada yang namanya demo. This is just normal in Women's Day. Okay, so the following one, the last topic, the last tag here is what happened on 8 March. Ada apa sih tanggal 8 Maret? Guys, anyone wants to read this, everyone? You guys, just raise your hand. No one? Yesenia, come on. That's great. What happens on 8 March? Let's go.
Okay, what happens on 8 March? In some countries, children and men give presents, flowers and cards to their mothers, wives, sisters, or other women they know. But at the heart of International Women's Day lies women's rights. Across the world, there are protests and events to demand equality. Many women wear purple, a color worn by women who campaign for women's right to vote. Recently, marches and protests have gained force thanks to the hashtag #MeToo and hashtag Time's Up, movements against sexual harassment. There is still a lot of work to be done for gender equality, but women's movements all over the world are ready to do that work and are gaining momentum.
Wow, great. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget, Yesenia, women's, right?
Women's, yeah.
All right, well done, sis. You are so great. Okay, guys, anyone again, guys? Once more. Okay, satu kali lagi nih, guys. You guys, don't be shy. No one? Oh, Bro Alwan, finally, Bro Alwan. I called you before, and
Sorry, bro.
okay, that was
I'm
okay.
sorry.
Bro Alwan, come on, take your time.
Okay, what happens on 8 March? In some countries, children and men give presents, flowers or cards to their mothers, wives, sister or mother, or other women they know.
Women,
women they know. But at the heart of International Women's Day lies women's right. Across the world, they are protect and even to demand equality. Many women wear purple, a color worn by women who campaign for women's right to vote. Recently, marches and protests have gained force thanks to the hashtag #MeToo and hashtag Time's Up movement against sexual harassment. There is still a lot of work to be done for gender equality, but women's movement all over the world are ready to do that work and are gaining momentum.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, Bro Alwar. That's so amazing. Okay. So what happens on Earth Mars? In some countries, beberapa negara nih guys, children, anak-anak, men, okay, laki-laki, give present, memberikan hadiah, presents, flowers, bunga, or even card to their mothers, kartu, to their mothers, wives, sisters, and other women they know. Ya, dia memberikan hadiah, ya bunga, kartu uang ya guys ya. The mothers kepada ibu-ibunya, istri-istrinya, kakak-kakak, adik-adik perempuannya, semua perempuan yang mereka tahu. That's one, okay? But at the heart of International Women's Day lies women's right. Tapi pada dasarnya guys, intinya dari Hari Perempuan itu kayak gak ada di situ gitu guys ya. Across the world, so there are protests and even to demand equality. Pasti guys, tanggal 8 Maret itu pasti si penjuru dunia itu demo, protes ya guys ya. Oke. Khususnya untuk equality, kesetaraan gitu. Many women wear purple. Perempuan pakai baju purple, ungu. A color worn by women who campaign for women's right to vote. Recently, sekarang ini, marches and protests have gained force thanks to hashtag #MeToo and #TimesUp. Pasti ada terkenal nih guys, hashtag #MeToo, hashtag #TimesUp. Movement dia against sexual harassment. Ya guys ya, memerangi ya pelecehan seksual. There is still a lot of work to be done for gender equality. Makanya sampai sekarang tetap ketika 8 Maret ada demo. It's not only for women. Laki-laki juga banyak ikut yang menyuarakan ini guys ya. But women's movements all over the world are ready to do that work and gaining momentum. That's what happened on Earth Mars. So you guys, have you ever joined this program on 8 March if we have International Women's Day? Or maybe you have just known if we have International Women's Day. Teman-teman, you have just known it? Oh my God, teman-teman baru tahu kalau ada Hari Perempuan tanggal 8. Alright, okay.
Just
Kita
make
tahunya hari.
ribbon, bro.
Oh yeah, that's right, everyone. Okay, so this one is on 8 March. Teman-teman bisa ya ikut menyuarakan, maybe from social media. Just use hashtag #MeToo, #TimesUp, yeah, movements against sexual harassment and about the gender equality. Yeah, so this one is about International Women's Day, everyone. Okay, so this time I have another. Look at this, guys. This the question. The question is about our topic on the text before. So, how long has Women's Day been celebrated? What do you think, guys? How long? Udah berapa lama sih, guys? Hari Perempuan tadi, Perempuan Internasional diselebrasikan, dirayakan. This is what do you think? Until now, that's a A. Less than 50 years. B.
Oh no, C. More than 100
Yeah,
years.
C, guys. More than
B juga nggak
100
lihat
years. Lebih dari 100 tahun, guys. Kalau dihitung sampai sekarang ya.
1908.
Yeah, that's right. And the next, which sentence is true? Yang benar yang mana nih, guys? A quarter of companies have female director. A quarter of companies in the world have no female senior managers. 27% of what's A?
B.
What?
B.
B?
I think.
Yang
B.
benar, yang benar.
None of the
Yeah, that is none of the above. Gak ada satu pun yang benar, guys. A quarter companies have female director. No, right?
No.
Okay. The second is no as well. 27%. No, 27%, guys. Okay.
24%.
Yeah, 24. This is gonna be semuanya salah. No one of the above. Gak ada yang benar nih, guys. Jawabannya D. And the next, guys, what signs are there that women in Britain do not have real equality today? What do you think, guys?
They
Apa
get
nih?
paid less than men.
Yeah, they do most of the work at home. They do the worst paid job. They get paid less than
men.
Okay. What, guys?
I
This
think
is
C.
That's a D, guys.
D,
All of
D.
the above, semuanya itu, guys, benar. Itu kan yang didemokan di Britain ya, guys ya. Tentang kesetaraan itu apa? Yeah, they do most of the work at home. Ya, mereka menuntut itu biar nggak di rumah aja. So career women, and they do the worst paid job, pasti dapat, makanya dia menuntut. Bener, they get paid less than men, mendapat gaji lebih sedikit daripada laki-laki. Bener, so semuanya benar, semua dituntut di sana guys. Okay. And the last one is this. What did women not protest about in 1908 in New York? Yang nggak diprotes apa guys? Bad working conditions, low pay, the right to vote, none of the both. Yang tidak?
None of the
None of the
above.
above.
Iya, this is D, none of the both. Gak ada ya, semuanya diprotes ini guys. Ya, ya, bad working condition diprotes, low pay diprotes, the right to vote diprotes juga. Okay guys, so we have done it learning about the history, the reading text, International Women's Day, and this time is for you to practice on breakout room. You can just discuss about this. What is women empowerment, pemberdayaan perempuan, and why is it important? Kenapa penting? And what are some common challenges that women face in society? Maybe you guys as women, teman-teman, tantangan ketika di sosialitas itu apa sih guys? What do you think? And how can education empower women? What do you think? Bagaimana pendidikan itu memperdaya perempuan, guys? What do you think? And why is economic independence important for women? And the other question that you can use for discussing about. Bro Fikri sudah artikan juga ya di grup kelas. Bro Fikri sudah kirim artinya juga untuk pertanyaan ini. So just have fun, everyone. Give your opinion, okay? Just make it fun to discuss about. How many people here? I want to make it 6. So no. Maybe just 5. Okay, nanti ada 4, ada yang 3 ya. Come on guys, just join the breakout room. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go everyone. Good luck and see you there. All right, so you guys, welcome back to the band room, everyone, and thank you so much for practicing today. That was really great conversation. I think you had a good conversation with our guest. That's really great. And the question first is this, Bro Nur ya tadi, Bro Nur.
Yeah.
What is kuli bangunan ya? So guys, actually you can say construction worker or maybe just say laborer. Itu boleh banget ya teman-teman bilang laborer, itu aja cukup teman-teman untuk bilang nih ya kuli bangunan or maybe construction worker. Itu juga boleh ya, pekerja konstruksi kan bangunan teman-teman. Or just say pekerja kasar. Itu kayak pekerja kasar gitu guys. Just say laborer is enough guys. Ini Bro Fikri terus ini ya. Laborer. Alright, ini adalah kuli bangunan atau pekerja kasar bangunan. Oke, laborer, that's one. Kalau laborer itu lebih ke ini guys ya, lebih ke umum ya. Yang penting teman-teman kerja kasar gitu guys ya, kayak pekerjaan fisik gitu kan, nggak hanya bangunan aja ya. It is general laborer. Tapi kalau lebih ke bangunannya, it is better you can say construction worker. Construction ya guys ya. Okay, so this one construction worker. Okay, alright, Bro Nur. Okay, so kuli Jawa, apalagi itu kuli Jawa guys? No, we don't have kuli Jawa. Okay, just say yeah, guys, laborer or maybe construction worker from Java. Nah, this one. Okay, so you guys, everyone. So the next, I would like to ask one of you to do 1-minute challenge, and for this time, I would like to ask, what about you? That's Sismara. Sismara, hello. Sismara.
Hello.
All right, okay. I asked you to do the 1-minute challenge, all right? I think you had a great conversation with your friends, with Bro Joe Brown, Bro Nofal, Bro Alwan. That was really great. Okay, are you ready? Siap ya? Sismara?
Ready.
Okay, that's
Okay.
only 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours.
Okay, in our discussion, we discussed about how economic independence can empower women, because when we have a good economic independence, we can buy everything we want, and we can go to the skincare clinic and we be beautiful like we can have a good life, and then women is very very important to have a good life, like and we also agree about how to uh, how to speak up when we have experience with sexual harassment in a train or in bus or in everything. We could speak up and don't have to jangan takut untuk berbicara ketika kita kena sexual harassment. That's
All right. Well done, Sis Mara. That's really great. You are so awesome. Okay. Yeah, if we get sexual harassment or something like that, Sis Mara, you can just say that. Don't be afraid to get or to say. Jangan takut untuk bilang ya. To speak up
yes.
maybe. Okay, great one. Hidup perempuan. Oh, sure. That's great. Hidup perempuan, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, this is about the topic for today, guys. And overall, guys, you have such a good conversation today. I would have had like you guys, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry, Profik, but in my group there is only oh yeah, only one, right? Okay, that's okay. That's never mind. Okay, guys, fitnah. What is fitnah in English, guys? Anyone knows? Yeah, this is slang.
Gender.
Yeah, that's slander. Itu fitnah. Okay. Fitnah sebenarnya. One second. Fitnah. Wait, guys. Fitnah. Yeah, this is slander. Slander. Alright, specifically just say last one, guys. Tapi teman-teman untuk bilang fitnah itu tergantung konteksnya juga ya. Especially in general, fitnah itu pokoknya teman-teman pakai sendiri itu sudah aman. Okay, that's one. Tapi kalau teman-teman itu merujuknya pada misalnya itu fitnahnya kayak menjebak seseorang gitu guys ya. So you can say frame up. Ini juga boleh dipakai ini guys. Frame up as phrasal verb. Ini juga bisa bilang fitnah ya. Tapi konteksnya di sini lebih spesifik. Konteksnya kayak kita itu menjebak seseorang dengan tuduhan palsu gitu guys ya. You can say frame up gitu guys. You right everyone? Okay, that's a slander. In general, that's a slander. Gitu boleh ya guys ya. Okay. Okay guys ya. And I think that's gonna be enough for today. This is our topic, everyone. Do you have a question again last time, everyone? Nope. All right, that's a great question so far. By the way, guys, have we learned about pop song? Dulu kita pernah belajar pop song belum, guys? Di basic 2 dulu. Did you still remember that?
Apa bro?
Letupan pop song in English.
I
Letupan.
think not yet, bro.
Not yet?
Not
Are you
yet.
sure?
Not yet. Yeah, I'm sure.
All right. So maybe next time we will learn it, or maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, maybe we can learn pop song. That's very important as well. Pop song itu guys ya. Okay, guys, we will learn it ya. Okay, that's addition topic tambahannya. Okay, thank you so much everyone for coming today. That's really great to talk with you guys for today. And the word of today, kata-kata hari ini. And I would like to ask who? What?
Sis Yanti want to
Oh, sis
give
Yanti. Sis
Yeah.
Yanti, do you want it?
Yanti.
Oh, sure.
Sisanya.
Shania.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
both of you
All
lah.
right, so I will choose Sis Yanti dulu dah. Sis Yanti.
Sisanya.
Sisania. Okay. Sisania. Come on, Sisania. Okay. One, two, three, go. Kata-kata
Okay.
hari ini Sis Yanti.
It's me for me.
Yes, of course.
Ya, uangku, uangmu adalah
Uangku.
Aduh, guys. Hidup perempuan, guys. Oh my God.
Women
Yeah.
empower.
Okay.
hidup women.
Orang
Agree with that one. No, I don't agree with that
Empowering
one.
the women. Empowering the women. Uangku.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
yeah.
Oh my God, guys. Thank you so
Ayo
much,
laki-laki
guys.
kerja keras.
Okay, guys. All
I
right.
love it.
Okay, guys. Thank you so
Okay.
much, everyone. Great job, Sis Yanti. Uangku, uangmu, uangku. Bro Jobam, You must be ready for your future, yeah? Okay, thank you so much, guys. And the last
Terbaik itu,
person,
terbaik.
and the last person, speaking partner.
We
We
are
are the best women.
Oh my God, guys. One last word, guys.
Smile.
Everyone, see you tomorrow. Good night. See you.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Have a nice trip.